हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू ज्ञान गंगा क्लासेस। एंड आज हम शुरू कर रहे हैं क्लास 7 साइंस का चैप्टर नंबर 2 और न्यूट्रिशन इन एनिमल्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स और थोड़ा रिवीजन इसका। हमने लास्ट वीडियो में ये पूरा चैप्टर कवर किया है, तो अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी है तो उसका लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में यहाँ डाल दिया है। आप वो वीडियो कभी भी जाके देख सकते हो और अपने सारे कंसेप्ट को कवर कर सकते हो। सारी चीजें वहाँ पे क्लियर हो जाएंगी। यहाँ पे हम करेंगे इसकी क्विक रिवीजन और इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। We will learn today about the keywords, summary and the exercise. और अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को नए हो तो प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब, और अगर आप हमारे चैनल पे आते हो लेकिन फिर भी सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज गाइस सपोर्ट अस, बिकॉज वी ब्रिंग फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट एजुकेशन फॉर एवरीवन। एंड हमारे इस मोटिवेशन को और स्ट्रॉन्ग करने के लिए प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब एंड सपोर्ट अस फॉर मोर। सो कीवर्ड्स की बात करें तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या जाना था? herbivores, the animals that obtain food from the green plants or plants are called herbivores. Example: cow, sheep, goat, deer, elephant, kangaroo, giraffe, etc. Carnivorous animals कौन है? The animals that obtain or eat food from by other animals. That is, they never eat plants, only other animals. So that are the carnivorous. Example: lion, tiger, lizard, etc. Omnivores, animals that consume plants as well as other animals as their food are omnivores. Example: dog, bear, human being, etc. Parasites, organisms that obtain food from the other animals either by living inside or outside on their body. Example: tapeworm, roundworm, lice, etc. Scavengers, the animals that eat the food as the other animal remains of the dead body as their food, preyed by other predators. Like someone makes someone dead, and then on that dead animal, dead body, they just consume that as food, are the scavengers. Example: vultures, crows, jackal, etc. So let us summarize our lesson जो हमने last chapter में पढ़ा. So we can say that animal nutrition include different nutrient requirement and the mode of the food and its utilization by body. That is, total process is the animal nutrition. The human digestive system consists of alimentary canal, secretory glands, and it consists of buccal cavity, oesophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, the rectum, and the anus. Also, the main digestive glands that secrete digestive juices are salivary glands, liver, pancreas. The stomach wall and the wall of small intestine also secrete digestive juices. The nutrition is a complex process that involves ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and digestion. आपने अगर हमारा चैप्टर पढ़ा होगा तो आप ये सारे प्रोसेस एकदम क्लियर हो जाएंगे। नहीं पढ़ा कोई बात नहीं, जाके एक बार वहां देख लो, या भूल गए तो जाके उस पर एक बार रिवाइज कर लो। यू विल अंडरस्टैंड एवरी ऑफ द प्रोसेस इन अ वेरी इजी वे। सो digestion of carbohydrates like starch begins in the buccal cavity. Digestion of protein starts in stomach. Bile secreted from liver, the pancreatic juice from the pancreas, and digestive juice from the intestinal wall complete the digestion of all components in the small intestine. कहाँ complete हुआ? Small intestine में. And the digestive food is then absorbed by small intestine vessels, blood vessels, and the undigested, unabsorbed residues are expelled out of the body, going through the large intestine and then expelled from the anus. Clear? The grazing animals like cows, buffalo, deer, the herbivores, are also known as ruminants. They quickly ingest their food, swallow their leafy food, store it in rumen, and later the food return to the mouth and they chews it peacefully. Amoeba ingests its food with the help of its false feet or pseudopodia. The food is then digested in the food vacuole. It pushes out fingers like pseudopodia, that false feet, which engulfs the prey. Here, ऐसे वो अपना खाना खाते हैं। तो चलिए अब करते छोटी छोटी एक्सरसाइजेस और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इसके। तो फिल इन द ब्लैंक सबसे पहले हमारे पास है द मेन स्टेप ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन इन ह्यूमंस आर, अभी हमने रिवीजन में पढ़ा क्या क्या थे, इंजेक्शन, डाइजेशन, एब्सॉर्प्शन, assimilation and digestion. The largest gland in the human body is liver. The stomach releases hydrochloric acid and digestive juices to act on food. The inner wall of small intestine has many finger-like outgrowth called villi. Amoeba digests its food in the food vacuum. अभी हमने रिवीजन में भी काफी सारी इसमें से चीजें पढ़ी, आपको क्लियर हुआ होगा। चलिए What are true and false? चलिए इसमें देखते हैं, true false करते हैं। The digestion of starch starts in stomach, as it ये था, no, false. The stores bile, true. The ruminant bring back swallowed grass into their mouth and chews it for some time, again true. Clear? चलिए टिक मार्क द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, the answer right answers to the question. Fat is completely digested in which? Mouth, stomach, small or large intestine? Small intestine. The water and food from undigested food is absorbed mainly in large intestine. Clear? Now let us match the following food component where we can add it. Or let it be. Carbohydrates, sugar, proteins, amino acids, fat, fatty acid and glycerol. So food component, products of digestion. Clear? कैसे हमने यहाँ पे add on किया, match किया? What are villi? What is the location and function? Villi are the finger-like projection or outgrowth. They are present in small intestine of our digestive system, and the villi increase the surface area for absorption of digested food. Where is bile produced? Which component of food does it help to digest? Bile is produced in liver and it helps in digestion of fats by breaking them into smaller ones. Name the type of nutrient, carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Cellulose. Cellulose is the carbohydrate that can be digested by ruminants but not by humans. Why? Because humans lack the cellulose enzyme required to digest it. Why do we get instant energy from glucose? Glucose is simple sugar which is easily absorbed in the blood, whereas other carbohydrates are first broken down into glucose and then absorbed. Hence, glucose gives us instant energy. Which part of digestive canal is involved in absorption of food? Small intestine. Chewing of food? Buccal cavity. Killing of bacteria? Stomach. Complete digestion of food? Small intestine. Formation of feces? Large intestine. Clear? Write one similarity and one difference between the nutrition in amoeba and human being. Similarity, both amoeba and human follow holozoic type of nutrition. And difference is human intake food through buccal cavity, amoeba intake food through pseudopodia. Now matches the following: salivary gland, saliva secretion. Salivary gland से saliva secretion होता है. Stomach, stomach में क्या हुआ? Digestion is completed. Or something else, bile juice secretion. Liver, bile juice secretion. Stomach, acid release. Rectum, release of feces. Small intestine, digestion is completed. Large intestine, absorption of water. Clear? Clear कैसे किया हम लोगों ने ये सब? Store of undigested food is also done in large intestine. तो इसके ये दो ऑप्शन है. I hope आपको ये एक्सरसाइज, ये क्वेश्चन आंसर, ये सब कुछ क्लियर हुआ होगा, कंसेप्ट रिवाइज हुआ होगा। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर इट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल।